Welcome to CDG Inspection, a globally recognized leader in inspection services. We specialize in ISO 7175-1 to 1988 inspections, focusing on the safety of children's cots and folding cots. Your child's safety is paramount. Our inspections guarantee compliance with global safety standards. From structural integrity to harmful substance checks, our thorough inspections cover all aspects of ISO 7175-1 to 1988 compliance. We verify cot dimensions to eliminate risks such as entrapment or instability. Our experts rigorously test the durability of materials to ensure long-lasting performance. We evaluate folding mechanisms to ensure they are secure and free of hazards. Our chemical testing ensures materials are free from toxic substances. We meticulously inspect for sharp edges and protrusions that could harm your child. Our tests confirm the cot's ability to safely support weight as per ISO standards. With years of experience and a global footprint, CDG Inspection is your trusted partner for compliance. Our inspections lead to safer products and peace of mind for parents around the world. We use cutting-edge technology and expertise to deliver the most accurate inspection results. Visit our website at www.cdginspection.com to learn more and make an inquiry today. CDG Inspection, safety is our mission, and your trust is our reward.